about 24 hours back, the crypto enthusiast got one of the highest airdrops in history, with a Jupiter airdrop giving more than $700 million worth of Jupiter tokens to the eligible holders. So in this video, we are going to take a closer look at the Jupiter token, what could be the price prediction for Jupiter, also what are the future opportunities for getting airdrops, and also what the Jupiter platform looks like and how you can be eligible for the airdrops going into the future. With that being said, let's jump on straight onto the video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, as well as join us on our Telegram channel, the link for which is given on the description below. So guys, without further ado, let's jump on straight onto the video. So let's first understand what is Jupiter. So Jupiter is a decentralized exchange built on the Solana network. So just like how we have Uniswap on the Ethereum network, Jupiter is one of the leading or the leading decentralized exchange or DEX that is built on the Solana network. It actually uses the Solana ecosystem or Solana chain to power its transactions at a very rapid pace and with a very low cost. Now, as we all know, the Jupiter airdrop happened about 24 hours back. Let's take a quick look on who were eligible for the Jupiter airdrop. Now, the Jupiter airdrop was available to users who transacted using the Jupiter exchange, and they had transacted before 2nd of November 2023, guys. Yes, if you had interacted before 2nd of November 2023, because that was the time when the snapshot for all the wallets that had interacted with the Jupiter exchange was taken. That was the first level of airdrop that we are talking about, guys. So 2nd November 2023 was when the first snapshot was taken and the eligible users were given airdrops yesterday. The minimum amount of airdrops that one got was about $140 worth of airdrop, with the highest one going upwards of few thousands of dollars as well. Now, what are some of the plans that these guys have? Now, the future airdrops are planned for new users as well, although the specifications regarding the same are yet to be released and distributed. That is why, guys, I say that there are still chances. If you have not yet qualified, if you still did not get the Jupiter airdrop in the first go, there are chances that you can actually get it in the second go as well. So therefore, keep on interacting with the Jupiter exchange and there could be massive opportunities for airdrop. Why do I say so? Because if we jump onto the tokenomics, we can clearly see that out of the 10 billion Jupiter tokens, a little over 1 billion was distributed in the airdrops in the first round, but 50% of the total supply is actually set aside for the community distribution through airdrops and other initiatives, right guys? So out of 10 billion Jupiter tokens, about 5 million will actually be distributed to the community using airdrops and other initiatives. So you need to continuously interact with it, guys, and that's why we are so much bullish. The remaining 50% will be used for the team and for other operational activities as well. Now let's take a quick look on the Jupiter exchange. So this is how the Jupiter exchange looks like. You can simply connect any of your Solana compatible wallet like Phantom or few others as well, the Coinbase wallet or anything that you have, you can connect with it and you can simply trade any of the tokens that are available on the Solana network directly. Now let's try to understand what could be the price for the Jupiter tokens and am I going into it. Now for me personally, I am looking at Jupiter from a more of an optimistic point of view, because I believe Solana can actually outperform Ethereum in terms of volume, right? Not only in terms of the returns that it gives to the users, but in terms of the volume as well. And very briefly, about 2 days back, the total transaction volume of the Solana network actually surpassed Ethereum for a few moments actually, right? And then Ethereum again came back up. But I believe this could be our new Uniswap, right? So like Uniswap went from the lows of about $1 or below $1 to the highs of even $40, guys, right? So I believe that Jupiter can actually give us amazing returns. Before jumping onto the charts, let's take a quick look on what are the exchanges from where I can buy the Jupiter tokens. So Jupiter tokens are available across all the major exchanges, including the likes of Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io and OKX, among others, right? So all the major exchanges that are there, you can buy your Jupiter tokens directly from there as well. Now let's take a quick look on the price and where can be a potential entry position for users who want to enter into Jupiter, whether you have got airdrop or not. If you still want to add to your positions, if you have got the airdrop, if you have not got any airdrop, if you are interested in investing into the Jupiter tokens, what could be the entry positions? Let's take a quick look on the charts, what the charts are telling us. So at this point of time, the Jupiter token is trading at around around the 58 cents, and it is trading with a market cap close to $800 million at the time of recording, just below 800 million, as you can see over here. Now let's jump back onto the charts and see what it is offering. As you can see, it is trading at around the 58 cents mark. It made the high when it got listed of around 70 cents. Now my thumb rule is I do not buy any token immediately after it releases, except for SAPM, which I bought right away. I generally wait for about 75 to 80%. That's a ballpark figure that I wait for a correction. So let's see where will a 75% correction put the Jupiter tokens at. So currently it's at around 58, but what we'll do is we will take it from the highs. So the high was at around 70 cents. So from 70, if we get a 75% dip, it will actually put the price at around the 17 cents or around the 20 cents mark. Yes. So around the 20 cents mark, will I be interested in looking at buying some Jupiter tokens for my holding portfolio, right? So one is my trading portfolio, other is my holding portfolio. So my holding portfolio, I'm looking to add Jupiter. If there is a correction, I get of around 75 to 80%. So below 20 cents roughly is where I am expecting it to go within the next month or so, probably another month and a half. Once the excitement about it comes down a little bit, that is the time when I will be adding a little bit of Jupiter tokens. And guys, you need to be on our Telegram channel. That's where we keep you up to date from what all trades am I taking, what are the positions I'm entering as well. Apart from that, if you want to get real-time updates, then you need to be on our premium channel. So below 20 cents is what we are looking at. But where could it be going? What is the price prediction? Where can Jupiter actually be going? According to me, if we are getting a correction till about 20 cents, right? Till about 20 cents, if we are going till there, I believe a price of about $10 looks possible. Where will the market cap be? The market cap from here will actually be around the $16 billion, which will put Jupiter among the top 10 coins. Keep in mind that is with the current supply. Now, if the supply goes up, then the market cap will again go up further. But I believe that $10 for Jupiter could be on the cards going into the 2024 and 2025. What are the technicals telling us right now? Yes, so as we can see, not much on the upside it is showing because we are on a very small time frame. So we are getting only till about $1 or so. But I believe there is a possibility of Jupiter going to the highs of $10. Again, mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your research before investing. These are all my personal opinions based on the use cases, based on the volume that we are seeing on the Solana network. I strongly believe that $8 to $10 for Jupiter could be on the cards in the bull run of 2024-2025. Right, guys? When I will be buying at the lows of below 20 cents. Around the 20 cents mark is where I will be adding some Jupiter tokens to my portfolio. That's pretty much it about this video, guys. Don't forget to like our video. Also, don't forget to continuously interact with the Jupiter network and the Jupiter exchange, because there could be future airdrops as well, guys. Okay, so you need to keep on interacting. You never know when the snapshot is taken. By the way, if you want to get up close and personal with a few airdrops, then do follow us on our Telegram channel as well, link for which is given on the descriptions below. Also, do watch our airdrop playlist, right? You can watch our airdrop playlist and you can find a lot of airdrops as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it about this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.